Hello everybody. So today I would like to share a couple of subtleties that I use when I create a baffle cage for a parrot. So this is a little treat that I hide within this little paper and then I put it into a muffin piece of paper and a coffee filter. Now be mindful that not all parrots will not swallow this. Some of them do, so you got to be mindful of that. Know your bird. I take a piece of paper bag from the grocery store that I had cut into strips, and I put it inside here. Then I will take this little cup here and I will create a little hole so that I could put this right in the middle. And then I do the same thing for here. So it kind of secures the treat on the baffle cage stem. And I stuff it in here like this. And then I'll take whatever I have. So this is cauliflower stem, broccoli stem, cauliflower leaf, more broccoli, and cauliflower. So we're staying into the brassica family today. Even I got some kale here, so I'll finish off with kale. And I'll put whatever other stuff away, like so. Voila. Alright, and I finish off with a piece of kale that he will shred in pieces. And then cover the so-called shim and make sure you secure it. There we go. So that's nice, safe, and secured, and then I'll go hang it into the cage. Et voila. So this is how I do my baffle cages. Keep him busy as long as possible. Have a great day.